Welcome to my channel. My warm wishes to all my dear friends, brothers and sisters. So in this video, I will teach you about mathematics, and that is for class 6, chapter 1 for experimentation. And this is part 1. I will teach you about sum, and in the part 2, I will teach you about experimentation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's start the video. I hope that you all will enjoy the video and you can understand in a very clearly method, and you can do all the exercise in simple way. So let's start it. Experimentation. What do you mean by experimentation? Experimentation means that you don't know the actual amount or quantity of an object, like you are guessing it or approximate it. We can write that experimentation means we don't know the experimentation means we don't know the actual amounts by some guess it or approximate it. Okay? We don't know actual quantity. By some guessing means we don't know the particular amount of an object. By guessing or approximating it, we are telling the answer. So in this, experimentation is also known as roundup. You have also learned the roundup because we are learning the experimentation chapter. So experimentation means experimentation is also known as roundup. So experimentation is also known as roundup. If we are going through the experimentation chapter, we need to understand the roundup. What do you mean by roundup? In this roundup, we are going to learn about the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So what do you mean by nearest? For example, I'll give, if this is a house, and this is Ram house, and here is also one house, that is Sitar house. So if it is there, who is the neighbor of Ram? We can directly say that Ram neighbor is Sita. So we will see the nearest place of Ram. Nearest place of Ram is Sita. So that means in that way only we are seeing the nearest 10th place. If it is 10th place is there, if it is 10, here 1, here 100 we have got. Okay? 100 if it is 5 there, here 6 there, and here 8 is there. So here is given to the nearest 10th place. Nearest 10th place means to the neighbor of 10th. To the neighbor of 10th place is 1. We'll see the 1st place only. Okay, that is known as to the nearest 10th place. So I will rub this, and I will do for each. I will do 3 examples. That's why you can understand the very easy method. So first we will do the nearest 10. Okay, to the nearest 10. So in this, if we are going to the roundup chapter, I would like to say you 2 tricks. So I think it will be first trick will be more easy than the 2 tricks, but each that 2 tricks are connected to each other. If you understand the first trick, then directly you can understand this second trick. So first trick, let's see. This is the first trick. Okay. So let's see. First trick is, if it is given to the nearest 10, as I have already tell you, to the nearest 10 place is 1. So if I will take an example. If I will take 62 and another I will take 68. These are 2 examples. Okay. So 62 and 68. First trick is that you will see to the nearest 10 place. Nearest 10 place is 1. Here 1 what we'll do, see. Will 10 in the 10th place 6 is present. Will remain the 10th place as same, and in the 1st place as 2 is there, and will replace 2 as 0. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 60 in a very easy method. And second one is 68. It is given to the nearest 10th place. In the nearest 10th place, to the nearest 10th place is ones. We'll see the ones place. In the ones place, 8 is present. It is more than 5 or less than 5. It is more than 5. So what will you see? This is 10th place and this is 1st place and this is 10th place. We will replace 1's place as 0. Here 8 is present, we replace as 0. So here I have to put 0. And here we have to increase by 1. 6 plus 1, 7. So answer will be 70. C. Then I will call it C first. This is the first trait that I have taken 62 and 68. If we will see the nearest 10th place, means the neighbor of 10th place. Neighbor of 10th place is 1. So we will see that in the 1's place it is more than 5 or less than 5. Here in the first example, it is less than 5. 2 is present, it is more than 5 or less than 5? It is less than 5. So 2 is there, we will replace 1's place as 0. Here 2 is present, we have to replace 2 as 0. And the 10th place will remain as same. Then 68. 68, in the 1's place, 8 is present. What present? 8 is present. So it is more than 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. So in the more than 5, we will do here 10 means 1's place we have to replace as 0, and here in the 10th place we have to increase by 1. Now 6 plus 1, 70 is 0 we can do. Then this example we have to follow in the second trick. So this is the second trick. Okay, this is the second trick. So what is the second trick? See, I will number in it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here you can see, just see it. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9. So first 1 to till 4 we have to just circle it, and 5 to till what? 9. Circle it. This is the less part. It is less than 5 and this is more than 5. See, that same thing happening is going on. That here 1, 2, 3, 4. It is less than 5 or more than 5. I have already written that it is less than 5. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is less than 5 or more than 5. I have already written that it is more than 5. See, I will take these examples. Just a minute. This is 62. Sorry, I will rub this. 62 and second is 61. So this is 10 place as I have already told you. This is 10 place and this is 1 place. This is also 10 place. This is 1 place. Okay. So in 1's place 2 is present. It is less than 5 or more than 5? It is less than 5. So we replace 1 as 0. And that 10 place will remain as same, 6. So this will be the answer. Here also same, here also same. Then 68. It is more than 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. So 8 is more than 5. We will replace as 0. That in the first step we have already do that. We will replace 1 place as 0. Here also same. We will replace 1 place as 0. But difference is that here we have to add 1. Increase 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. So 70 will be the answer. Here will be the answer. Here 70 and here 70. That both the answers are correct. See, these are two tricks. So to the nearest 10 over, then will come to the nearest 100 place. I will give one more example of nearest 10. Then I will continue to the nearest 100 place. Okay. So I will rub this. Okay. are easy. If you feel this first trick will be easy, you can do the first trick. If you feel that second trick is more easy than the first trick, then you can follow the second trick. Both two tricks are very easy. Same answer will be come. Nothing to worry. So to the nearest 10. We'll take another example. What will take? Okay. If I take 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. This is, sorry, here this is 100 place, okay? This is 10 place and this is 1 place. So it's given to the nearest 10. Well, don't change the 100 place. In the 100 place will remain as same. So you will see this one, this part, 68 part, okay? This is 10 place, this is 1 place I have to put here, okay? So 68 present. So 68 is there means will remain. It is more than 5. I have already tell you 8 is more than 5. So replace 1 place as 0. Then in this means 10 place will increase by 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 70. So here 5 is remain that 100 place. Here 100 is 100 means 560 is there. Then what will be the answer? Here 100 will remain as same. And if we will take the 68 and our answer comes at 70. 570. So 570 will be the answer. If it's following the second trick, that same thing will happen then because they are connected to each other. So let's start it, that second trick. So that same examples will not take. We'll take 654. 600, just a minute, 654. Then that I have already tell you that same thing is happening going on. Will 100 place, this is 100 place. This is 10 place, this is 1 place. Will remain 100 place as same. Okay, that's then 54. We have to change the 54. So 54, 5 will not remain as 5 will remain as same only because here in the 1 place you can see it is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So we'll put as 1 place as 0. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 650. See, this is a very easy method. If we understand this properly, then we can do all the exercises in simple method. In the last, I will recall it. Do not worry. Then we will come to the nearest 100 place. Nearest 10 over. I hope that you all will understand. Then we will come to the 100 place. I think I have to rub this because there is no space available for me. Okay, then start it. So to the nearest 10 place already over, then we will come to the 100 place. Okay? To the nearest 100. Okay, to the nearest 100. So that same thing will happen, that 2 tricks are there. So we have to follow 1 or 2 tricks. I think I have to follow the 1 trick. So let's start it. We'll take an example. So if it is there, this is example number 1. So if it is there, 782. So this is 100 place, this is 10 place, this is 1 place. In the nearest 10 place, what we do? We have to take these 2 numbers only. We are taking it. But it's given to the nearest 100. What will do? See? What will do? See? We'll take this 3 number. We'll take this 3 number because it's given to the nearest 100. Will nearest 100 place to the nearest 100 place means the neighbor 100 place is what? To the neighbor of 100 place is tens. We have to see the 10th place. In the 10th place, 8 is present. It is more than 5 or less than 5. It is, this one, it is more than 5. It is more than 5. Then we'll write the answer in a very easy way. So let's start it. So here 8 is present. So what we'll do? We'll replace 8 here. These two ones will be remain as 0, 1 place. Here 2 zeros are present, and here we have to increase by 1. Here we have to increase by 1. So 8. What will be the answer? The answer will be 800. Then second example we have to do to the nearest 10th place. Second example is, if we are taking 824. Okay, 824. So this is what? This is 100 place. This is 10 place. This is 1 place. Okay. So to the nearest 10 place. Sorry, to the nearest 100 place, with the neighbor of 100. Neighbor of 100 is 10. We'll see the 10th place. The 10th place 2 is present. It is more than 5 or less than 5. It is less than 5. 2 is less than 5, not more than 5. So here we have to do what you know. We will replace 1's place as 0. Then 10th place also no. 10th place we have to remain as 0 and 8 will remain as same. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 800. We have to this two digit number we have to replace as 0 because it is in the 10th place, it is less than 5. If it is more than 5, then we have to increase by 1 only. If it is less than 5, we have to remain as 10, but in this 2 digits 100 place will remain as 10. In this 2 digit we will put as 0, means replace as 0. So I hope that you all will understand to the nearest 100 place. Then I have to give another example. This is 2 1, this is 3. 4280. Here 1000, 4282. What will you do? See. This is 1000 place. Sorry, there is no spaces available. So this is 1000 place, this is 100 place, this is 10 place, and this is 1's place. So it is given to the nearest 100 place. So 4 means in the 1000 place 4 is present. So we have to replace 1000 place as same. Then here we have to take these 3 digits. The 3 digits are 280. These 3 digits are 280. Then this is 100 place. This is 1000 place. This is 1's place. 280. So 1's place will replace as 0. To the nearest 100 or the neighbor of 100 is 10th place. In the 10th place 8 is present. It is more than 5 or less than 5. It is more than 5, not less than 5, because 8 is present. In every I am taking the first trick. You will take that 2 trick. That 2 trick and that both tricks are connected to each other. If you understand the first trick, then I will hope that you understand the second trick. So I am following the first trick. Then this 8 is present. Here that 10th place we have to also remain as 0, and here we have to add 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So 300 will be the answer. Means 300. This will be because we are taking this 300 and 4 will remain as same. No. So here 4 will have to take. Then this 300 answer we have to here. We have to replace it here. Then what will be the answer? The answer will be 4300. Our answer is, means our question is that 4280, and our answer comes that 4300. So I hope that you all will understand about the 100 place to the nearest 100 place. Then we'll come to the 1000 place. Okay. So then to the nearest 100 place also over. Then last one is left, that to the nearest 1000. That same only is happening, but you have to understand the trick properly so that you can do all the exercise in very easy method. If you understand if you understand the trick also, we can do all the questions. We can do nothing if no doubt is present, no doubt. Okay. Then we'll start it. First example I have to take. So here first example I have to take. If I will take that 5380 5380 this. So this is 1000 place, this is 100 place, this is 10 place, and this is which place? 1 place. So we'll replace the 1 place as 0, then 10 place that 0, then we'll take these 2 digits. 53. Okay. So to the nearest 1000 place means the neighbor of 1000 place is 100. So you have to see the 100 place. In the 100 place 3 is there. So what will do? It is more than 5 or less than 5? It is less than 5. Okay. Then we'll do it in a very easy way. So let's start it. So here 5380 is there. Here our answer comes, if we'll take these 2 digits, our answer comes 00. Then we'll it is given to the nearest 1000 place. In the 1000 place I take this number 53. To the nearest 1000 place is 100. In the 100 place 3 is present. It is less than 5. So we'll replace 3 as 0 and that 5 will remain as same. So here we have to add it to, we'll replace these 2 zeros. So 5000 will be the answer.